Okay, I actually ordered 2 bottles and only one has come so far. I guess that's what I get for ordering on Amazon. Alright, I mean, I guess I can't do it today because I don't have the other bottle, but, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair ginger. I do have some experience dyeing my hair in middle school. Yeah, so it's been probably 3 years since I've last embarked in a hair dyeing journey, and I mean, to be honest, I do really like my current hair color. I think it's really pretty and nice, and you know, it's basically just my natural hair. The only thing I've done to this is use sun-in, so yeah. But I've been contemplating dyeing my hair ginger for a long while now, and I just thought, you know, it's summer, I won't have to go to school, and ew, sorry. There's a nice little bubble. Yeah, I won't have to worry about going to school and looking bad. I'll just look bad at home. Hey, good news, the other one's here. Excuse me, what is this? So, rumor on the street is that someone in the Amazon warehouse thought it would be funny to send me the wrong color. So, gotta wait even longer now. Okay, today's finally the day. They're both here. They're the right colors. I have this thing. It's pretty neat. I have a brush in here somewhere. I got me one of these. I'll probably just end up using my hands, but you know. And I'm kind of bummed because my hair looks pretty good right now. I should brush my teeth. Okay, my hair's been brushed. It looks not so great. We're just gonna start mixing. So, I plan to use this whole thing because it's lighter, and I think it's actually closer to the color I want. So, just gonna do that. Ugh. This is so gross. Ooh, it's kind of glittery. There's glitter in this. I'm not even joking. I don't even know if I'll use all of that. And I already got it somewhere. And then this color, I'm like not so sure about because, you know, the little picture here is copper, but when you put it out like on a piece of like toilet paper or whatever, it's kind of brown, and I really don't want to end up being a brunette. Sorry, like, I don't know, like it's like a golden tinted brown, I guess. So I'm a little bit concerned about this color. I'm just gonna put like a little bit in, just darken it up a little bit. Yeah, okay. Oh, it won't close. Maybe not. Maybe it'll be more ginger than I think. Alright, so we're gonna just mix that up. This is a lot of dye. I might have to end up putting it back in the bottle after this. It smells really good. And I think oh shoot. Please don't stain my sink. So I'm just gonna put like a couple pumps of conditioner into this just because, I don't know, dilute it slightly. It won't really do that much because there's a lot of dye in here. Yeah, no. I'm nervous about this. I haven't dyed my hair in such a long time, And I just, like, I don't really want it to stay. First of all, I don't want to have brown hair, possibly. Second of all, I don't really want it to last that long. Like, that's why I tried to get semi-permanent, but we'll see what happens, I guess. So I'm just gonna try and section things off a bit. Okay, I think we're gonna start. I'm kind of scared I won't be able to like reach the back that well, but we'll see, I guess. All right, here goes. Is this brush really necessary? This, you know, there's a pretty good chance that this won't do anything. I'm kind of starting to come to that possibility. I'm trying not to make it patchy, but that very well could happen. Okay, we're doing a time lapse. Right, here is the aftermath of that. Let's not forget this situation. I'm gonna clean up now. Alright, so I'm here with my giant ice pop, and when I return, my hair will be rinsed. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited about this. I can't tell if it's gonna look like really, really orange or like more natural, but I don't know, it looks pretty good so far and I'm very excited. Alright, this is the final color. I like it. I don't really know in person. It looks different. Looks different in the mirror. It looks different on camera. So we'll see, but I think at least right here on camera, I think it looks pretty good. So hey. Yeah. Woohoo!